In this video, I'm going to show you how you can import videos into CapCut on PC. So first, go ahead and open up the CapCut application. So I'm going to search for CapCut and we will open it here. Now you have a couple of options depending on how many clips you want to import and if you want to create a new project or import them to an existing project. So any existing projects you have will be listed here and you'll be able to go ahead and click in them and you can then import your clips. If you do want to use a new project, go ahead and click create project first. Now once you've done that, it will take you into the CapCut project, and what you can do then is click on the import button. Now make sure you're on the import tab. You can go ahead and click on this button and it will open up your File Explorer window. You can then go ahead and select all of the clips you want to open. You can also open them in a separate File Explorer and you can simply just drag and drop these in to the import window as well. So here we'll see we've got an MP4 file. I'll hold down Control on the keyboard and we will click through these and I'll select multiple files. We can then drag that on here to this window and it's then going to import all of those clips. From here we can drag them onto the timeline and start to edit them. You can also drag on all of the clips at once if you want to as well. So that's how you can import videos to CapCut PC.